of Margaret Wilson and when I was a minister, there was a pretty deliberate decision made not to go back to the rules of the 1980s and to take a more progressive approach and to attempt to get something which New Zealanders could unite behind and have some consistency in the labour relations legislation over a period of time. And we got the indication from the National Party, even before the election, that they thought that that was the case. But, Mr Speaker, what we clearly have now, is an approach from the National Party where they want to drive down the conditions of the people around New Zealand. And, Mr Speaker, I think it just shows gross incompetence on the part of the National Party that they're choosing to do this legislation and later legislation which takes away people's holidays as they go into the Mana by-election, where the people who are the most disadvantaged are going to be those going to be affected the most by this. And I don't know whether Jerry Brownlee hates Hekia Parata. I don't know whether Jerry Brownlee hates Hekia Parata or whether he is just incompetent. And it might be both. It could be both. But debating this under urgency going into the Mana by-election is probably the biggest case of incompetence that I've seen for a long time.
Michael.